마실 거 드릴까요?
뭐든지 말씀하세요.
뭐든지 가능합니다.
석세스 아카데미니까요.
황홀한 일과 화려한 꽃들 사이 가면을 쓰고 우아하게 춤춰.
오늘의 주인공을 보고 싶다면 바로 여기 기다려.
보석처럼 빛나는 가면 위에 성공의 눈빛이 별처럼
석세스 아카데미 성공의 세레모니.
석세스 아카데미 꿈으로 더 가까이
하나 건너 더 넓은 곳을
하늘 넘어 더 높은 곳으로.
자, 오늘 파티의 주인공은 모두 몇 명인가요?
놀라지 마. 로열 마스터 14분이야.
14분?
로열 마스터면 정말 대단한 분들이잖아요.
특별한 건 이번엔 캐나다에서 오신 분들도 있다는 거야.
캐나다라니, 난 제주도도 못 가봤는데.
혹시 알아? 우리도 로열 마스터가 돼서 세계 곳곳으로 나가게 될지? 애터미의 뜻은 세계 어디로든 뻗어나가니까.
자, 그럼 오늘의 주인공들을 만나볼까요?
좋아요. 자, 여러분께 소개합니다.
뉴 로얄 마스터!
로열 마스터분들께서 입장하고 계십니다. 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.
첫 번째 주인공 김석경 로얄 마스터입니다. 기댈 구석 하나 없던 아들, 의지할 수 있는 엄마 되려 세미나를 목숨처럼 여겨 2년 4개월 만에 로열 리더십 선.
번째 신희재 로열 마스터.
어려움없는 평범한 삶 속 갑자기 인생이 무의미해. 남편의 반대에 포기하지 않아 지금은 가정을 책임지네.
세 번째, 정청남 문평근 로열 마스터입니다. 우울증에 허덕이던 옛 시절 회장님 말씀 가슴을 뛰게 했지. 용기를 내어 도전하라. 그 믿음이 성공 만들었지.
복선 로얄 마스터.
어릴 적 내내었던 나의 꿈 통장 하나로 전 세계에서 돈 벌자. 성장이 더디어도 괜찮아. 애터미 시스템 믿으면 돼.
Success Academy 성공의 세레머니. Success Academy 꿈으로 더 가까이.
다섯 번째 주인공은 박영주 장현동 부부 마스터입니다.
아무리 이래도 제자리던 인생 선생님을 만나 뒤바뀌었네. 뭐하세요? 매일 오는 전화 그 덕분에 로열 마스터 됐네.
국내 마지막 주인공은 백승희 신홍철 로열 마스터입니다. 18년 군사라며 균형 잡힌 삶 못 살았지.
이대로 괜찮을까 되돌아봤을 때 애터미 만나
석세스 아카데미 성공의 세레모니.
Success Academy 꿈으로 더 가까이
하나 건너 더 넓은 곳을
하늘 넘어 더 높은 곳으로. 13시간의 긴 비행 끝에 바다를 건너온 주인공들이십니다. 캐나다에서 오신 뉴 로얄 마스터들을 소개합니다.
다시 한번 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.
미국에서 처음 간 석세스 캐나다 돌아가 애터미를 알려 시판 마스터. 강인한 나무 같은 사람 예뻐진 얼굴 애터미 삶을 바꿔 하루 차낸 마스터.
캐나다 법인 전부터 약사의 눈으로 알아본 애터미 박정희 마스터.
마지막으로 레베카 왕 민 아이올 로얄 마스터.
애터미 진심으로 사랑해.
Atomy family. We are Rebecca Wong and Ming. We are so honored to be here. We're from Canada, Vancouver. Atomy has transformed our lives, and we are truly blessed to know Atomy. We never imagined ourselves in a network company. People think that we are crazy. Both of us have no network experience prior. So through the continuous guidance and support of Atomy Canada, we learned and keep growing until we truly understood the wisdom and the love of why our Chairman Park created Atomy. There is no company like Atomy. With the same direction, vision, and mission of Chairman Hang-gil Park, we keep moving forward even when things are difficult and seems impossible. Before Atomy, we lived a very comfortable life. So why are we doing Atomy? Because Atomy's platform goes beyond business. There is meaning to see people become confident, more beautiful, happier, healthier, and wealthier. There is meaning to serve and lead humanity. There is meaning to wake up every single day, contributing to our partner's journey to success. And there is meaning living the company's motto, company's culture, and in the essence of God's love. Atomy's success system can replace society's system for the next generation and break the traditional economic system that we know so well. Atomy can be a movement for us to no longer repeat our ancestral ways of life, so ordinary people like myself, our partners, friends, and family also succeed, and closing the gap between the 1% and 99%. Atomy is ordinary people's solution to our problems. To our partners, sponsors, and all Atomians, we love you. There are not enough words to show how grateful we are for your duplication of success. We are standing here because of all of you. Let us choose wisely. Atomy is multidimensional, which brings miracles to humanity. Like Atomy's contribution with compassion, this has created a ripple effect. We also contribute to compassion, to relieve children in poverty in Jesus' name. Chairman Park, thank you from the depths of our hearts for bringing your vision to humanity. And through knowing the kingdom of God, our Creator, we can transcend our current reality and bring heaven on earth. Thank you. 감사합니다.
Hello everyone. I'm Ming, new Royal Master, Rebecca's partner. I'm still in disbelief how both Rebecca and I are standing here today. I just want to say thank you to Chairman Park and Imperial Master Mr. Yoon for creating a company that puts humanity before business. I still remember meeting our chairman and #1 member only after Rebecca joining less than 4 months. What are the chances that you meet the founder and the first member? So it has always crossed my mind, it must be fate that we met Atomy. As Rebecca mentioned, we both have no network experience or have any interest in doing MLM business. That's why I'm still in shock that we're standing here today. But I know that there's something that draws both Rebecca and I to keep moving forward in this company, and that is to help people. This company has an amazing system that really helps many people to change their lives. We are very happy to be a part of this. I really want to thank all Atomy members for all their knowledge sharings on the internet, Zoom, one-day seminars, World Success Show, and Success Academy. so we all can learn and move forward together. I now have a special message for Rebecca, my wife. Do you remember 25 years ago on our wedding day, this special day? Remember, I did not have any money for the wedding. I even sold my car, and I got a loan to pay for this special day to fulfill my father's requirement. And I told you, don't worry. I will take care of everything on our wedding day, because she knows that I didn't have money. I was like the wedding planner, organizer, designer, banquet. I was like the handy guy that fixes everything. And as our wedding day came closer, and on our wedding day, amazing thing happened. You will not believe how people just started coming together. Our wedding cake was donated. Flowers was donated. Our live band was donated by the band members. Even the lion dance was donated by Rebecca's martial art master. Everyone came together to help and make this special day possible. And that was 25 years ago. I cannot believe this again. In Atomy, it happened again. 25 years later. I want to say sorry, Rebecca. I did not celebrate our 25th anniversary with you. We did not plan or decide to do this Royal Master run. We only did it 6 weeks and 5 days before the start of the date of the Royal Master run. We were not qualified yet or even discussed with our team. So like our wedding day 25 years ago, I just told Rebecca, don't worry, I will handle everything in Atomy. As long as you have faith, the doors will open for you. Sometimes you just need to learn to believe. You can do it, and God will unlock all the doors for you and send you angels to guide you. As for us, the door just kept unlocking. We all have angels around us. We just need to open our eyes and see them, and sometimes those angels are the people around us. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the angels that's around us. Thank you, Chairman Park, for creating an amazing company and setting such good core values for us to learn and follow. To my mother-in-law, Hui, and my father-in-law in Vancouver, thank you for allowing me to take Rebecca's hand, and thank you all for your help. And I want to thank Atomy Canada, and especially Director John, a very special angel that has always been by our side. And thank you all our leaders and partners and consumers who all made this achievement possible. And with everyone's help and contribution, and lastly, I want to thank Rebecca again for taking my hand. Happy 25th anniversary. I have finally found my next journey in life to help and contribute. I hope we all can do and follow the same path. Thank you very much.